Good morning to all. Welcome back to our maths class. Today we are going to learn a new topic. Today we are going to start a new lesson from Term 2B textbook, Lesson 1, Time. Okay, so we are going to start a new lesson. Which lesson? Yes, Lesson 1, Time. All of you look here. Lesson 1, Time. T-I-M-E. Time. All of you say the spelling. T-I-M-E. Time. Day and night. Day and night. The period between sunrise and sunset is called as a day. You can see the picture here, isn't it? Day. So, the period between sunrise and sunset is called as day. The days are brighter and sunny. Okay, the days are brighter and sunny. And the period between sunset and sunrise is called as night. The period between sunset, that means sunset in the evening. So the period between sunset and sunrise is called as night. Then we can see moon, stars in the sky at night. There are 4 parts of a day. A day is divided into 4 parts. Which are they? All of you guess and say. Which are the 4 parts? Yes, morning, noon, evening and night. Morning, noon, evening and night. So, when the sun rises, it is morning. When the sun rises, it is morning. And when the sun is overhead, that time is noon. That time is noon. When the sun is above our head, over the head, that time is noon. And when the sunset in the evening, then we go to sleep at night. We all sleep at night. So we go to sleep at night. So these are the 4 parts of the day. So all of you look here. What is this? What is this? This is a clock. This is a clock. And you can see this is the face of a clock. This is the face of the clock and has numbers from 1 to 12. 1 to 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 1 to 12 numbers are there. Okay. So this is the face of a clock and it has 1 to 12 numbers. Then the clock has 2 or 3 hands are there. The clock has 2 or 3 hands are there. So first one is, you can see the hands. This is a red hand and 2 black hands are there. Isn't it? Yes. Then the short hand is called our hand. The short hand is called our hand. The short hand is called our hand and the long hand is called minute hand. The long hand is called minute hand. The long hand is called minute hand. Without this hand also the clock is working. So this is called a second hand. So no need to think about this. We have to just look to the these 2 hands and say the time. Okay. So once again, this is the face of a clock and face has 1 to 12 numbers are written there. Then what is a clock has 2 or 3 hands are there. Then what is the use of a clock? Yes, we use clock to tell the time. Then what this short hand is known as our hand and the long hand is known as minute hand. Okay. Next, we are going to read the time. We are going to read that. That means the long hand is on 12. The long hand is on 12 and the short hand is on 2. The short hand is on 2. So the time is 2 o'clock. What is the time? 2 o'clock. The time is 2 o'clock. So you can see that the minute hand is on 12. Where is the long hand? Minute hand? Yes, on 12. And the short hand is on 2. Short hand is on 2. Then the time is 2 o'clock. The time is 2 o'clock. Then so all of you look here. Here I draw a clock. So you can see the two hands of a clock. Two hands of a clock. So which hand is this? Short hand. Which hand is this? Short hand. So short hand is also called as hour hand. So what is the spelling of hour hand? Yes, H-O-U-R, hour hand, H-A-N-D, our hand, okay, our hand. Then long hand is also called as minute hand, M-I-N-U-T-E, minute hand. Minute hand. Okay, so all of you say the spelling. H-O-U-R, our hand, H-A-N-D, hand, our hand. Then next, minute hand, M-I-N-U-T-E, minute hand, H-A-N-D, hand. You have to study the spelling. Okay, then next, here, which is the hour hand, hour hand, hour hand, our hand. Show the correct hand, all of you. Yes, this is the hour hand. Our hand points towards which number? 3. Points towards which number? 3. Our hand is on 3. Then which is the minute hand? Minute hand. Yes, minute hand. This is the minute hand. Long hand is called as minute hand. Then minute hand is on which number? Minute hand is on which number? Yes, on 12. So what is the time? From this picture itself you can see, say the time. What is the time? Yes, 3 o'clock. We are using o'clock. We are saying the time in o'clock. Okay, so I will write that o'clock here. O'clock. Okay, we are writing the time in o'clock. Here on apostrophe is there. Okay, o'clock. So, which number is there? What is the time? 3. So, in front of this o'clock, we will write the 3. So, this is 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock. So, all of you read 3 O, then apostrophe C-L-O-C-K, clock. 3 o'clock. Then we also write this 3 o'clock in numbers also. Number also. Digital. Okay. So how we will write 3 o'clock? 3 we have to write. Then we have to put 2 dot. Then we have to write 2 0. So this is digital one. Okay. We are writing the clock. We are writing the time in this way. 3, then put 2 colon, then we have to write 2 dots, then we have to write 2 zeros. Okay, 3, then put 2 points, 2 full stops on top and bottom. Then we have to write 2 zeros for representing 3 o'clock. Then one more thing is there. There are 24 hours in a day. There are 24 hours in a day. So 24 hours makes a day. 24 hours equal 1 day. 24 hours equal 1 day. Okay, that you have to study. 24 hours equal 1 day. There are 24 hours in a day. Okay, let's do some examples. Here you can see a clock. So in this Where is the minute hand? Where is the minute hand? Yes, minute hand is on 12. Minute hand is on 12. And where is the hour hand? Where is the hour hand? Yes, hour hand is on which number? 7. Our hand is on 7. So what is the time? All of you say, what is the time? Yes, yes. Say 7. So how we will say the time? 7 is the right. Minute hand is on 12 and our hand is on 7. So it is 7. So what is the time? How we will say the time? 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock. How we can write this 7 o'clock? Yes, we can write like this. 7, put two dots on top and bottom, then write 0, 0. 7 o'clock. Okay. Then next clock. You can see a clock here. So, in this clock, where is minute hand? Where is the minute hand? Yes, minute hand is on 12 and our hand is on 11. Our hand is on 11. So what is the time? What is the time? Yes, it is. Say loudly. It is 11 o'clock. Very good. 11 o'clock. 11 o'clock. Okay. 11 O apostrophe C-L-O-C-K. Clock. 11 o'clock. Then how we will write the number? How we will write the time in number? Yes. 11. Put two dots. 0, 0. This is digital clock. The time is written like this. Okay. In digital clock, the timer writing like this. Okay. So 11, 2 dots, 0, 0. That is 11 o'clock. Then all of you look here once again. Yes, you can see the clock. Now these hands are on which number? On which number? Minute hand is on 12. Then where is the hour hand? Where is the hour hand? All of you say, where is the hour hand? Yes, our hand is on 12. So these two hands are on 12 itself, isn't it? Yes. So the time is, say all of you say the time. What is the time now? Yes, all of you say, yes, 12. Minute hand is on 12 and our hand is on 12. So the time is 12 o'clock. So the time is 12 o'clock. So all of you look here. 12 O apostrophe C-L-O-C-K clock. Then how we will write this time in digital? Yes, 12 put 2 0, 12 put 2 dots. Then after that you have to write 2 zeros. Okay, this is 12 o'clock. Now we study how to read the time. Next, we are going to draw the hands of the clock. Now we are going to draw the hands of the clock. So, all of you look here. Time is given there. 6 o'clock. So, time is given in digital also. 6, 2 dots, colon, then 0, 0. So, what is? This is 6 o'clock. Here, clock is given there. You have to draw the hands. So, all of you just think that where is the minute hand and where is the hour hand. Where you have to draw the minute hand and where you have to draw the hour hand. So, all of you say where we have to draw the hour hand. We have to draw our hand towards which number? Which number? Yes, our hand towards which number? Our hand means small hand. Small hand, here the time is given. So our hand towards 6. Our hand towards 6. So our hand towards 6. Then minute hand towards 12. So minute hand towards 12. Minute hand towards 12. This is 6 o'clock. This is 6 o'clock. Okay. The question 4 o'clock. We want to draw the hands of the clock. So while you are drawing the hands, one thing you have to keep in your mind that the hour hand should be shorthand. Our hand should be shorthand. No need to draw the hour hand and minute hand in same length. No need to draw like that. Our hand should be small. Our hand should be short. And minute hand should be long. Minute hand should be long. Length is needed there. So you have to draw the hands like that only. Okay. So 4 o'clock. Our hand should be on which number? Our hand? Yes, 4. So small one only you have to draw. Small. Okay. Towards 4. Then where is the minute hand? Where will be the minute hand? Yes, 12. So that hand you have to draw as long. Minute hand you have to draw as long. So this is 4 o'clock. This is 4 o'clock. Okay. And 9 o'clock. The hour hand towards which number? Our hand towards which number? 9. So our hand is long or short hand? Our hand is a long or short hand? Say all of you. Yes, our hand should be small, short. Okay, so we have to draw like that. Small. Then minute hand should be long. So we want to draw like this. Okay, this is 9 o'clock. Now you understood how to draw the hands. Today we studied about clock, we studied how to read the time, and also we studied how to draw the hands of the clock by given the time. Okay, so all of you, I hope you understood the topic. We will see you in the next class. Thank you all.